The upcoming Motorola Signature is shaping up to be one of Motorola's most ambitious smartphones ever, and if these rumors are accurate, the device could easily be a true ultra flagship. So starting with the design, Motorola seems to be going all in on premium and slim. At just 7mm thickness and 186 grams, this is impressively thin and light for a phone packing flagship hardware. Getting a glass front protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, an aluminum frame, and serious durability credentials with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, plus military-grade standard 810H compliance. This is not just a stylish phone, it's built to survive real-world abuse. The device could also survive high-pressure water jets. The display is easily one of the biggest highlights, a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED with 165Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a jaw-dropping 6200 nits peak brightness puts this right at the top of the smartphone food chain. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which means that this phone is targeting power users, gamers, and creators alike. Motorola is also promising Android 16 out of the box with up to 7 major Android upgrades, which finally puts it on the same long-term software level as Samsung and Google. In terms of memory and storage, Motorola isn't holding back. Options go all the way up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage with 16GB RAM, which is overkill in the best possible way. Even the base model with 12GB RAM is more than enough for heavy multitasking and future-proofing. The camera system looks extremely balanced and versatile. You get a 50MP main sensor with a large 1/1.28-inch sensor, OIS support, and multi-directional phase detection autofocus for low-light performance. The 50MP periscope telephoto offers 3x optical zoom with OIS, while the 50MP ultra-wide adds autofocus, which is something many phones still skip. So that's 3 cameras at the back, guys. Video capabilities are top tier with 8K Dolby Vision, 4K at up to 120fps, and full 10-bit HDR10+ videos. Selfie camera is flagship grade, featuring a 50MP sensor with dual pixel phase detection autofocus, capable of 4K video and HDR, something vloggers and streamers will definitely appreciate. On the audio side, you're getting stereo speakers tuned by Bose, Dolby Atmos, Snapdragon sound, and so on. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack. Connectivity is as feature-proof as it gets with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, ultra-wideband, NFC, and full global positioning support. USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 with DisplayPort 1.4 also means this phone works seamlessly with Motorola's ready for desktop style experience. Battery is another strong point, a 5200 mAh cell combined with 90 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless, and both wired and wireless reverse charging means fast top-ups and excellent endurance despite the slim design. So these are the top features of the Motorola Signature. These specs are not official, they're merely rumored, leaked specs, but I was able to get these specs from legit online sources. But that doesn't mean that the specs may turn out to be entirely correct, so please take them with a pinch of salt as I mentioned earlier. But if these specs turn out to be correct, then yes, Motorola Signature would literally be among the best ultra flagships of 2026. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.